students, welcome to virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we will learn English. Come on students, let us begin our lesson. Subject is English of standard 5th and the topic is adverbs. Students, today we will learn some grammar. Okay, that is about the adverbs. See the picture. We will write one sentence about this. Here, boy is eating his food slowly. Boy is eating his food slowly. This is the sentence. We can see this in the picture, isn't it? Students, here, which is verb? Yes, you are eating. He is eating. This is in present tense. So, eating is a verb. This word shows the action of that boy. He is eating, isn't it? Okay. Now, how he is eating? He is eating his food slowly, isn't it? The action is given. It is eating and extra word is given about this verb, that is slowly, isn't it? Here we will write this is verb and this describes the verb, isn't it? Slowly, it tells more about the verb, that is eating. He is eating his food very slowly. So here we can say slowly is an adverb. Got this, students? What is the meaning of adverb here? This extra word used to tell something more about the verb, that is called an adverb. Okay? See this girl. She is dancing, isn't it? Okay, I will write here. The girl is dancing gracefully. How she is dancing? She is dancing gracefully. Here, which is the verb? What is the action going on? Yes, she is dancing, isn't it? So here, dance. This is the verb. Okay. Now, what about this gracefully? It tells more about the girl's dance, isn't it? So, dance is a verb and gracefully is a describing word for verb. It describes more about the verb. So, it is an adverb. Okay. One more example we will take. See the picture. We will write a sentence here. A dog barks loudly, isn't it? Here also we can see noun, verb and the extra word that describes the verb. Noun, it is dog, isn't it? You know that. Barks is a verb, right? And loudly is an extra word used to tell something more about the barks. Isn't it? How it is barking or how the dog barks? The dog barks loudly. So a bark verb and loudly, that is a describing word that describes the verb. So loudly is an adverb. Right? See this. Yeah, I will write here. She is walking fast. How she is walking? She is walking fast. Here walking is verb and fast is a describing word, isn't it? It describes the verb. So It is an adverb. Got this, students? I hope you understood about the adverb. Students, now we will go through the definition of an adverb. Okay? Here, an adverb describes or gives more information about a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. See here, it gives more information about a verb. This we came to know, correct? An adjective. It also tells more about the adjective also sometimes, and about another adverb. Got this, students? We will go through some examples. Students, we will go through this. An adverb is a word that describes a verb, an adjective, or another adverb, isn't it? Okay, now we will go through these three examples. Okay, first one, she speaks slowly. She speaks. This is over, but how she speaks? She speaks slowly. Speaks is a verb, we know that, correct? And this is the extra word. It is used for the verb, so it is an adverb. Here we can say an extra word used to describe a verb. This, okay, verb. So it is an adverb. Slowly is an adverb. Okay, next one. He is so smart. He is smart. He is so smart. You know that smart is an adjective. What is this? Smart tells more about the noun. So this is adjective, right? Now here so this word tells about the adjective. It describes the adjective. So here so is an adverb. Got this, students? Okay. Now we will move to the third one. That is, it describes about another adverb. See here. They come very often. Come, verb. Correct? Come is verb. They come often. Often is adverb. Got this? This is adverb. ADV I will write. This is adverb. How often they come? They come very often. Here this very is used to tell something more about this adverb. Right? So this is also an adverb. Got this meaning, students, now? So here again we will read. An adverb is a word that describes a verb, this sentence, an adverb, this sentence, and or another adverb, this sentence. Got this? Students, you came to know about the meaning of the adverb, isn't it? And how we use the adverbs. Right? Now we will go through some of the examples of adverbs. Okay? Adverbs, we will write some adverbs here. Happily, carefully, sadly, angrily, carelessly, quietly, loudly, joyfully, energetically, nervously, very. See, dear students, these are some of the examples for adverbs. See, dear students, here we can see so many words that are adverbs. They end with ly. See the examples: happily, carefully, loudly, joyfully. So many words that they act like adverbs and they end with ly. Isn't it? This you have to keep in your mind. Okay? Students, you know about the meaning of the adverb, where we use the adverb, why we use the adverb, and we've gone through some of the examples of adverb, isn't it? Now we will learn about the forms or the kinds of adverb. Students, there are so many kinds of adverbs. We will go through one by one and we will see the function of these adverbs. Okay? First, adverb of manner. Okay. Next one is adverb of place. Next, adverb of time. Adverb of purpose or the reason. Adverb of frequency. Next is the adverb of degree. Got this, students? There are 6 kinds of adverbs are there. Okay. Now we will see what they tell us. Here, the manner, adverb of manner tells us about how. Means it gives us the answer for how. Okay. How is that girl, or how is that book, about the manner. Adverb of place tells us about the place. Means it gives us the answer for the question where. Where is that bird? Where is his house? Like that. It gives us the information about the place. Okay. Adverb of time. It gives us the answer for when. When it happened. When is your meeting? Etc. Got this? It gives us the answer for the question when. Next, adverb of purpose. Here it gives us the answer for the reason. Okay, reason means how. Here also we can say how. How it happened. Got this? Reason behind that purpose it will tell us. Next is adverb of frequency. Here frequency, how often it happened. It tells about the answer for this. Okay. Next is adverb of degree. Here also we can say it gives us the answer for the question how. We will go through the examples. Then it will become clear for you. Okay. Students, we know that there are 6 kinds, correct? Now we will go through some of the examples for each kind. Adverb. Adverb of manner. It tells us about the answer for how, correct? Tell how. See here, just, well, quite, quickly. It happened quickly, hardly, carefully. Means it tells about the manner, how it happened. Okay. Next one is degree. Here tell to what degree it happened. See, barely, almost, nearly, quite, hardly, just. These all be used to tell about the degree. Next one is tell when. That is about the adverb of time. See, afterwards, before, at, still, and time also we can mention. That also comes under time. Okay, adverb of time. Next one is adverb of purpose. Here why. Okay, reason. Here to avoid, to get, to remember. See, these words we use while using this adverb of purpose. Next one is adverb of place. Here we can mention the place also, or here outside, upstairs, here, there, everywhere. These mention the place, isn't it? These give answer for where it is. Where. Correct? Next one is how often. That is about the frequency. Adverb of frequency. We will get the answer like this: often, never, always, sometimes, etc. Got this, students? These words we use to tell about the different kinds of the adverbs. Here you can see a table, right? Here I have written that is verb. Okay, this verb. Then adverb of manner we will write here, adverb of place, adverb of frequency, adverb of time, and adverb of purpose. Okay, here one action we will go through. See this. A girl runs. Correct? Here I will write the verb here. She runs. Correct? Now manner. What the manner tells us? How she runs. How she is running. About the answer we need how. Correct? She runs quickly. Got this, students? How she is running or how she runs? She runs quickly. That tells about the manner. Now place. Where? The answer for where? She runs outside. Where she runs? She runs outside. Now this is frequency. How often she runs? Yes, we need the answer for how often. Correct? Here, every evening. She runs every evening. Means that tells us about the how often she runs. Got this? Next one, time. When she runs. Time tells about when. Correct? When she runs before dinner. Got this? Before dinner. Now purpose. Why? Why she runs? Yes, purpose or the reason. Here she runs for exercise. Got this, students? The same example we have taken and we have covered all the different adverbs. Isn't it? Okay. For next example, see dear students, your table is there. Okay. Action is a man is working. Right? He works. Okay. Now we will go for the manner. How? How he works? He works tiredly. This is adverb of manner. Now we will move to the place. Place gives us the answer for the question where. Where he works? He works in his office. Right? Frequency. How often he works? The answer is one afternoon. Right? He works one afternoon in his office. Got this? Now time. When? It tells about when. He works on Tuesday, on Wednesday. You can mention any day or time. Okay. And purpose means why. Why? We have to give the reason. Why he works. He works to make money. Got this, students? These are all adverbs of different kinds. Some shows the time, some shows the place, some tells us about the purpose. Right? Okay. Now one more table. Again one action is there. See these two cats. They are taking nap. They nap. This is the verb. Simple sentence. We will write they nap. Right? Now manner. How, place, where, frequency, how often, time, when, purpose, why. Isn't it? We will get the answer for all these. They nap, manner, quietly, peacefully. Isn't it? How they are taking nap? Quietly. Where they nap? At home. You can write anywhere, at shop, under the roof. Okay. Frequency. They nap every morning. See. Okay. And when? You can suggest any time also here. At 8. They nap at 8 in the morning. Okay. Purpose. Because they are tired. They take a nap in the morning because they are tired. For these students, we got the answers for all different kinds of adverbs. Like this you have to write. If you are asked to write about the manner, you have to use like these sentences or the words. For these students, now this is last one. See this action. A dog behind the door. The dog waits. Now, if they ask to write about the manner, then we will write the answer for how. Correct? If they ask about the place, we will write for the answer where. To write where. Correct? And about the frequency, we will write how often. About the time they ask, then we will write about when. In the morning, in the evening. Correct? And about the purpose, we will write about the reason. Isn't it? Okay, we will start. The dog waits is the verb. Manner. Impatiently. The dog waits impatiently. You can see here. It is not peaceful. It is impatient. Correct? Now where? Where it is? By the door. You can see in the picture. The dog waits by the door. Correct? Frequency. Here we can write every day. The dog waits every day. When it waits? At 5 p.m. Correct? For whom? What is the purpose behind this waiting? Yes, to see Tom. Tom is a boy. His friend. Correct? So, to see Tom, the dog waits at 5 p.m. by the door impatiently. Every day it waits. Got this, students? So, we have practiced 4 examples of each kind. Isn't it? So, I hope you understood everything about the adverb. That is about different kinds and how to use and what should be the answer. Right? Now students, we will move to the exercise part or some evaluation part. Okay. From this I will come to know that how much you have understood about this concept. See here. First one. All the words in the box are adverbs. Okay. Put each adverb under the correct heading. Here 3 headings are given. See, first one is how. Okay. This is how. Means adverb of manner we can say. When. Adverb of time. Where. Adverb of place. Isn't it? So we will select each one and we will write them under the proper heading. Got this? First one, yesterday. Yesterday means, yes, you are right, time. That is when. Correct? Happily. Happily is nothing but how, manner. Isn't it? Hastily. Yes, again this is manner. Then well. Well, again manner. Correct? How. Next, inside. Correct. Inside is nothing but place. Where. It gives the answer for where. Nearby. Again where. Tomorrow. Yes. Time it tells. So when. Later. Again time. Isn't it? Never. Never. Here. Again time. Right? I have never seen this. Like this. There. Where? There. Place. Always. Yes. This is again time. Isn't it? Next one is easily. Easily is nothing but manner. How is this sum? This is very easy and I have done this easily. That is manner. Got this, students? Okay, down it is. Fill in the blanks with suitable adverbs from the boxes. You can see here 6 questions or 6 fill in the blanks and 6 adverbs are given in the box. Right? Here 6 are there. Correct? Okay, we will select the proper one and we will find the correct word for the fill in the blank. Okay. First one, the lion roared. How it is roared? Yes, loudly or angrily. We will use here angrily. Okay. Second, I am tired. Let's walk slowly. Isn't it? So I am tired, so I can't walk quickly. So we will walk slowly. I woke up because the phone rang loudly. So I have not taken here loudly in the case of lion. Here lion roared angrily and here phone rang loudly. Okay. Then she does not complain about the food. She eats quietly, silently she ate. Okay. The children are reading noisily. All are reading at the same time. So it becomes very noisy. So here it comes. The children are reading noisily. Children, this is plural, isn't it? So noisily. Correct? I cannot catch him. He runs quickly. This is very easy. Isn't it? We have filled all the fill in the blanks with the proper adverbs. Right? Students, one more sheet is there here. Complete the sentence. Here we have to use the proper adverbs given in the box. Okay. There are 10 sentences are there. We have to complete them by using these 10 adverbs from the box. Okay. Now we will write. We will start. He swims dash. How he swims. We have to write the answer for how. Correct? Manner. So, he swims nicely. Isn't it? He swims nicely. Then, second one. He ran dash. How he ran? He ran quickly. It gives us the answer for how. Isn't it? Next one. She spoke dash. Here she spoke when. We have to give the answer for when. She spoke now. Correct? Next one. He dash gets me. Degree we can tell. How? Correct? He totally gets me. He understood me. Right? She plays the piano. How she plays the piano? Yes, here manner we have to tell. She plays the piano well. Isn't it? Next, she will plant her garden dash. She will plant her garden how? The manner. Yes, very good. Beautifully. The children love to play dash. The children love to play where? Where they want to play? Where they love to play? Here place we have to tell. So this is outside. Isn't it? Children love to play outside. She arrived dash for the meeting. Here we have to mention about the time. When she arrived early for the meeting. Isn't it? Next, the movie is starting dash. Here also we can tell about the place, right? The movie is starting here. This is the place. Where the movie is starting? Here it is starting. The spaghetti is dash delicious. Yes, degree or the degree we have to tell. The spaghetti is quite delicious. The spaghetti is quite delicious. Correct? Yes, we have done all these 10 sentences. Students, you can see some pictures here and some sentences are written in the box. Correct? You have to observe the picture. You have to see the actions in that picture and then you have to read that sentence and you have to choose the proper adverb which is suitable for that picture. Okay, first one I will tell you. First you observe this girl, she is dancing, isn't it? She is dancing. How she is dancing? We will see. Is the girl dancing happily or sadly? Yes, observe this picture. We can see this girl is dancing happily, isn't it? So we will write this adverb happily on the line. For the students, like this you have to write the answers for all these 7 pictures. Okay, first you observe the picture, then you read the sentence and you choose the proper adverb which is suitable for that picture. Okay, and try to write this. Okay, dear students, this is for you. This is your work. Okay, you can pause the video and then you can write the answer. And again, afterwards start the video. Okay. Now we will summarize about what we have learned. Okay. First, an adverb tells us more about a verb. Right? Number 2, an adverb describes or modifies the verb in some way. Right? Next, many adverbs end with the suffix ly, but not all. Okay? Next, adverbs often tell us how something happened. Right? Yes, these 4 sentences tell us about the adverb. Okay, this is about the summary of the adverb. Thank you very much for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get new updated videos.